This is BMW. Alright, so I'm gonna just have to find a new name, I ain't gonna lie. Cause it's Acura sickness, but we not sickening with the Acura no more. We ain't sticking with it no more. So we're gonna be rebuilding this 2009 BMW 328i. And I just want everybody to like be here with me, be there for me, and like just don't hound me because I don't got the Acura no more. I got this now. Wait, where the key at? Yeah, I got the key to it. It is also a clean title, like I say. Correct me if I'm wrong about anything about the BMW for all the BMW owners out there. Like I say, it's a 2009 BMW 328i xDrive, all-wheel drive. First I'm gonna show you the all-wheel drive. You got the, I don't know what inch rims these are, but it's running the factory BMW rims when the last owner got them painted. Got some stuff right there on the windshield. Long story short, I traded my running Acura for a 2009 BMW Y. I used to have a 525i.
Crazy, dog.
Man, that nigga loaded so bad.
What else? My car is running. This car is not. But that's why I want to enhance my mechanic skills. It's not all about, oh yeah, I'm a DA, dumb A. No. It's just, I want to go beyond. A lot of people saying that I'm gonna need, when I do swap the engine out, I gotta take it to BMW. I don't know if that's true. I've seen multiple people on YouTube swap E90s, 328i's, just plug it all back up and it's gone. They got their own devices to reprogram everything. And that's what I was told to get. Get something like a ITSA programming device. Correct me if I'm wrong, like I said. I don't know if that's what I was exactly told. But to program a Beamer on your own without taking it to the dealer, that's all you have to do is get your own programming device. But besides the fact, it is an N52. It's an N52 engine. Like I said, engine is C, so the battery is dead. That's why you kind of hear that clicking noise down there. Like I said, I do got the key. Battery definitely dead because of the C's engine. Like it's so dead that I gotta literally like, I know that's bad, but yank the key back out. I can't leave it in the car. Show you how it's gonna look up under the hood before it just went out. I'm gonna include clips in the video too as well. It got a tune on it. That's why I grabbed it. It got a tune on it. I wouldn't say a burble tune, but like a popping tune with the exhaust.
Actually crazy.
Yeah. Anything? Got a bliss and shit out right there, but yeah. This it though. It's my journey. This is what I've been like, kind of like, I just took the debate and said, yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna find a good engine and yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm not paying no shop. I ain't got no tools to do this damn swap, but I'm gonna get the tools I need to do this swap. This is just part one though. This is just part one. This is how nice the inside is. It's clean, like. Everything clean. I wish I could show y'all like the LEDs it got, but like I said, I'm gonna post clips. I'm gonna add clips to the video. Got the sunroof, moonroof. They do let back. I just tested it out. Everything worked. But yeah, man, like I'm gonna just try to show y'all some work I got that's done to it. I know I can kind of show you this. What I do know is engine failed. It got coolant and oil was coming out when it got towed. It was never running when I first got it. So we not stock under here. Definitely got exhaust work done. You can see minor scratches and dents. Got the wing on there. I want to see if I can add like a window wing like I had on my Acura. I had a window wing, rear window wing. got these mirrors. Yeah, I'm just showing y'all the car. This, like I said, part one. Part one might be a 5-minute video. Who knows? Like, what else is it to talk about on there? I can't get the trunk up because the battery dead. But like I said, this is what I got now. I mean, if other people don't like it, shit, I know damn well I like it. Once it's running, I know I'm gonna like it. I know I used to drive my Acura a little aggressively. This though, can't get driven aggressively. And also, I'm gonna point out a thing. A lot of people I know on YouTube, they rather not put another BMW engine in there. I was told by a couple people, just LS swap it. But of course, I don't know where I'm gonna get an LS engine from, and I don't know the steps what that take. I'm new to this. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never swapped no engine. But we gonna do it though. We got another run around, walk around. This is it, 2009. Suspension good. Telling you, everything good. I just need to swap that engine. Clean. Got my key. It's clean though. Sad to say, I'm gonna do it. That's it. Now I'm gonna just add these clips there for y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna add the clips. And that's that. Well, like I said though, correct me if I'm wrong, it is an N52 engine. 2009 xDrive 328i. Currently not running. Currently is a project. Part one. Everything gonna be done in that garage. Or if I gotta leave right here, swap that engine out, it's gonna be done right here. I've been looking around pricing. I ain't make my mind up yet though on which one I wanna buy. But this the one though. This is what I wanted to do. Came with it. It was a fair trade. Let him know what the Acura needed done. Like I said, he was fine with it. And I was fine with this. Both can go good in value, like I told him. If you was to change it from a J32 or a 3.2, you can always like upgrade that Acura. You got the shell of it. It already looked like a Type S. Put the A-Spec kit on it and a J37 in there. It's a beast. Just like he said, I can LS swap this or another N52, sell it for like 15K. Just like him, he could sell that car for 20K. Not even 20K, my bad, not 20K. I'm pushing it, not 20. At least 15, 17 though. I done seen Acuras on the market for 17. Not even J37 swap. 3.5 Type S. Like he said, I got an advantage, man. He got an advantage. Fair trade. I got a BMW 328i xDrive. He got an Acura TL base model. It's a base model, but he got a tune on it. You know, y'all saw the videos. Like I said, we gonna get it done. And I ain't even trying to talk no more. I'm just trying to let the video be a little in so y'all ain't bored.
Please don't chase it, you won't make it to ever see your potential. None of that clout shit matter because at the end of the day, big bang take little. My hate